Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord 2T, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we have to switch to the video one. So let's tap on the video. As you can see, if you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now basically all we have to do is to simply take a look at this option bar, and on the second position from the right we've got the resolution. So let's tap. And as you can see, we've got 3 different options from which we can choose, and currently we've got 1080p option applied. As you can see, this option is marked and highlighted with this blue color, but we can set also 720p option, which is on the left, and 4K. It's of course up to you which option you'd like to use, and all you have to do in order to change it is to simply tap on the one you'd like to set. So let me pick 4K, for example. As you can see, as you could saw, it was immediately highlighted. What's more, the icon changed here, so you can always check which resolution you've got set, and it also means that your device applied it and it will record videos in chosen resolution. So actually this is it. This is how to change video resolution in your OnePlus Nord 2T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.